Hello, I'm Layla Haskett.
I'm Alma Harditch.
I'm Maida Velic.
We live in Bolton, England. Our parents fled from the war in Bosnia in 1992.
We were born here and we went to English school on a Monday to Friday, and on a Saturday we went to Bosnian school. There we learnt Bosnian language, our religion and traditional Bosnian dancing.
We also travelled across the UK doing various sports tournaments and also practising our cultural dance.
We hope that one day our children also attend these programmes, and hopefully one day there will still be a Bosnian school where they can attend. We do hope that our children also always remember their roots, as this is very important to us and our families.
We'd like to say a massive thank you to Sadia and to our Ismet from Bolton, who made this happen for us, who never let us forget who we were and where we came from.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.